Let me present to you a piece of American history.
Everybody has a car story to tell.
This 1914 Renault was one of the Paris taxicabs used by the French to outflank the German army during World War I, which earned them the nickname Taxis de la Marne. Our own World War II vets, Bill and Betty Swope, served the veteran community.
But I'm so glad that Elizabethtown went out of its way to welcome back the Vietnam soldiers. And I'm proud of our community for doing that.
Vietnam veterans came home to a booming muscle car industry. Many of them found the 1969 Camaro to be their car of choice. The Swope family has always gone above and beyond to support our armed forces. Come celebrate stories like these in our museum at no expense.